Hi, my name is Michael Damon. I'm the Chief Marketing Consultant of WeMerge Media and also the instructor for the Do It Yourself Marketing Series sponsored by WeMerge Media. I'm here tonight just to talk to you a little bit about our upcoming workshop, which is how to generate passive income as an influencer, just to give you an idea of what this workshop is about so you can determine if this is something that is right for you. The workshop is coming up on Sunday, March 29th. This will be at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can register and reserve your seat online at wemergemedia.com. The class is only $20 and will include 2 hours of instruction, 1 hour of live instruction, and then an additional 1 hour of video that you'll receive after the class. If you are not able to attend and you have purchased your ticket, don't worry, you will still have access to be able to get the course information afterwards. It'll be emailed to you since you were a registered attendee. So, this series, the Do It Yourself Marketing Series, is going to be broken up into a number of different topics. This topic specifically is about how to generate passive income as an influencer. Now, I've been doing sales and marketing for the past 20 years and helped hundreds of businesses over the years start their business, grow their business. Brand their business, generate additional revenue streams. Like I've done all those things over the course of the last 20 years. And what I'm doing with this series is taking the information that I've learned, the things that I love to do, and packaging it into content that you, as a viewer or someone who may be looking for some assistance, can use and learn from on your own. The reason why we're doing this specific workshop is because this is a huge industry. This taps into affiliate marketing, being an influencer. Over $1.8 billion in commissions are paid out on an annual basis to influencers. Now, you may think that an influencer has to be a celebrity. Let me tell you that it does not. We all have influence over a group of people, especially as business owners. So if you have a business and you have customers that you serve or products that you sell to a certain audience base, trust me that you have influencer status and there is an opportunity for you in this workshop. One of the main things that comes from this is being able to learn how to form partnerships. So just imagine being able to have contact information to get right into some of the biggest companies in the world and be able to develop programs and advertising programs with some of these companies so that you can then kind of cater the content and the information that they provide you with for your own audience and then be able to package it so that you can earn a commission from that. Having the ability to be able to monetize your content. So, oftentimes, as business owners, you create content. You're creating social media posts, you're writing blogs, you're making videos. Like all of this stuff that you're creating has the ability to not only be used to promote whatever your products and your services are, but you can also find affiliate partners that you can partner with and who you can feature them in your content to be able to monetize that and earn income from that. So, no matter what industry you're in, there are tons of different categories that you can find partners in. Just a few of them that you can see on the screen here: accessories, there's health and wellness, there's hotels, sports and fitness, employment, business. A lot of my affiliate marketing partnerships comes from the marketing category. So, no matter what industry your business is in, there are more than one way for you to be able to find partners that you can find, and they'll be more than happy to have you feature their content and be able to compensate and pay you a commission for the sales you generate through that. So, this is just a few examples of some of the companies that you can expect to be able to get access to as an influencer and as an affiliate marketer. So, in the shopping category, there's Macy's. Most people know Macy's and have been to a Macy's. Macy's provides links, images, their logo. Once you become a partner with them, depending on what industry your website is in, and the number of people that you have visiting, the level of traffic for your site, you'd be able to get access through them if they accept you into their partnership program. Another one that's very easy to be able to partner with is Amazon. Actually, Amazon sells everything under the sun, and everything for the most part that they have available is commissionable. So I can teach you how to do that. Just to show you in the health and beauty category, some of the big brands like Gillette. We also have the business category where you can partner with Yelp. Yep, Yelp, the review site where people write reviews on restaurants and all of that. They actually have a pretty good commissionable rate for you if you get businesses to sign up on Yelp and register their business through Yelp. Just another one in the sports and fitness category is Prana. They're known for making fitness clothes. that are environmentally friendly, made from recyclable materials. They pay a commission. Vistaprint, you may have ordered business cards for yourself from Vistaprint. You can place banners on your website, or you can refer people to a link on your website if they need to get marketing materials for their business through Vistaprint and actually earn commission from that. CBD, that's a huge thing. People are getting into this industry. Another one in the health and wellness industry. This is just an example of one of the companies that are in that industry that have affiliate marketing partnerships opportunity available if you're looking to partner with them. So, through all these different categories that I talked about and all these different businesses, the idea is that I can help you figure out which categories you need to be targeting so that you can determine where your time is going to be better spent and who your best partners are going to be. So this workshop is going to be geared towards just giving you some base information about what this affiliate marketing program is like. I'm going to teach you how to partner with the networks that's going to give you access to these companies. I'm going to tell you what you need to do in order to make your pitch to them strong, and then also give you some ideas on how to incorporate the information and the content they provide you with into your own content, and to be able to share that with your audience, being your customers, or maybe just people visiting your site, or just people on your social media network. So, if this sounds like something that's good for you, if you're someone who can benefit from adding another stream of revenue to your business or for your own personal income, this workshop is going to be dedicated to that. I will be spending my time an hour on Sunday, March 29th, teaching people how to get started in this business. Again, if you have any questions, just feel free to message me wherever you're watching this video, comment below, because most likely if you have a question, someone else has the same one. And just go to wemergemedia.com if you'd like to go ahead and get registered for this. If you can't make this one, no problem. You on that same page, when you visit through to our online workshops page, you'll be able to enter your email address and get notified about upcoming workshops in the future. So that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next workshop.